In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create goal templates in HubSpot. Whether you're aiming to streamline your team's objectives or track progress more effectively, HubSpot offers a powerful toolset for setting and managing goals. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create and customize goal templates that align with your project or organizational needs. And if you're new to HubSpot, you can use the link in the description to get started. Now, let's dive right in. First, head over to HubSpot and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. At the top of the screen, you'll find the navigation menu. This is where all your essential tools are located. From here, click on the Reporting tab. This is your gateway to all things data and analytics within HubSpot. Next, under the Reporting section, look for the Goals area. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a dedicated space for managing and tracking your objectives. Now, to start creating a new goal, locate the Create Goal button and give it a click. This will open a new window where you can begin setting up your goal framework. In the Setup window, you'll see an option labeled Search View and choose Pre-made Goal Templates. Go ahead and click on this option. Now, this step is important because using pre-made templates can save you a significant amount of time. These templates are designed to align with industry standard benchmarks, so they're not only efficient but also crafted with best practices in mind. Once you've accessed the library of templates, take a moment to browse through the options available. You'll notice that each template is tailored to specific scenarios, whether you're focusing on sales targets, marketing campaigns, or customer service objectives. There's likely a template that fits your needs. Choose the one that best aligns with your team's or project's goals. This ensures you're starting with a solid, expert-refined structure that you can build on. After selecting a template, the next step is customization. This is where you can tweak the pre-made framework to match your specific requirements. For example, you might adjust the metrics, timelines, or any other details to ensure the goal aligns perfectly with your organization's priorities. Take your time here to make the template truly your own. And that's it. By following these steps, you've not only created a goal in HubSpot, but also customized it to fit your unique needs. Whether you're managing a team or working on a solo project, these templates can help keep your objectives clear and actionable. So now you know exactly how to create and customize goal templates in HubSpot. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.